Hello and welcome to Immigration News and Views. My name is David Nachman. I'm one of the managing attorneys at the NPZ Law Group. One of the questions that we're getting very frequently now has to do with the changes that have been made in the realm of what's called prosecutorial discretion. Prosecutorial discretion has to do with the discretion and parameters of the discretion that is allowed by officers who work for the U.S. Department of Homeland Security with regard to their analysis of various immigration cases. And since February, there have been some changes that have been slowly evolving. There was a memorandum that was put out in late February, which then was subsequently revised and given a little more detail. And then more detail is slowly trickling out, and we expect, of course, that we will start to see this being implemented probably in full force in the fall. But what it does is it affords great leniency in terms of the ability of officers, individuals, prosecutors in the court, the TAs, and immigration and customs enforcement officers to utilize their discretion to afford what's called, again, prosecutorial discretion. Now, what prosecutorial discretion means is that there are certain individuals who the government would be able to not be focused on in terms of what we call a removal priority. So for example, individuals who, let's say, are tending to relatives who are ill, individuals who are DACA, individuals who have served in the military, these are individuals who are not high priority for removal purposes. So, so again, what's going on, this is a very dynamic area, and it's something that we can turn to the protocols and the parameters that are set forth in these various memoranda that have been issued by the government. They are proving to be exceptionally helpful to us as immigration lawyers for the purposes of being able to defend against removal actions, as well as to utilize these legal standards as a way to obtain some leniency in the adjudications of various petitions and applications. If you have any questions about prosecutorial discretion and how that potentially benefits you, please feel free to contact any of the lawyers here at the NPZ Law Group. You can do so by contacting us online at info@visaserv.com or by calling us at 201-670-0006, extension 104, and we'll put you in touch with someone who can further explain to you. Thanks very much for being with me. Bye for now.